Greetings from Nyköping. So I have cycled now 8 kilometers from the center of the city of Nyköping, and I'm on my way to Näsudden, here in the Örstignäs nature reserve. I'm cycling obviously here with my ghost, and yes, it is time then to take a swim in the sea in Nyköping. So earlier today I was in Gnesta first, exploring one of the lakes there, and after that I took the bus to Nyköping, and now it's time to explore the sea, and it is blowing like crazy, so I need to be careful. So see you on the beach. And I have arrived at the destination, Näsudden's Badplats. It looks amazing indeed. Look at that. It's perfect. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Now let's find a spot to put my bicycle and to enjoy the swim in the sea. Hello from Näsudden and this wonderful sandy beach on the Baltic Sea in Nyköping, in the beautiful nature here, nature reserve of Örstignäs. So it is now 3:30 p.m. and the sun is soon gonna be off the beach, as this one is facing east mostly, and it is actually a quite popular beach during the hot summer period. Right now it is 24th of August today, and it seems that the people have given up on the swimming in the sea, but not me, because I'm doing this every day despite the weather and the weather conditions. Today we have 21 degrees Celsius, which is extremely hot for me. And I just measured in the sea, it is 17 degrees Celsius. And the water is so clear and clean. And I think it's also a bit shallow, as I was already on this beach last year. When it was hot summer season, the beach was full of people, believe me. I can maybe link that video at the end of this one. So yes, earlier today I started my journey from Stockholm, where I live obviously, and I wanted to explore some beaches outside of Stockholm region this weekend. So I first headed to Gnesta with the train from Elfco, and then in Gnesta I visited the beach that is just 5 minutes walk from the central station there in Gnesta at Frostsjö Lake. And after that I took the bus from Gnesta to Nyköping. And now, after some walk in the center of the city, I decided to take my ghost bike for a ride, and just 9 kilometers away from the center of the city of Nyköping you can come to this beautiful sandy beach on the sea. Yep, that's my ghost square bike that I don't usually take that much during the summer, as I have two more advanced bikes. But this one is very good for such occasions, as I was actually needed to put it on the back of the bus, and it was my first time doing it, and I have anxiety throughout the whole trip of 45 minutes if the bike is gonna be still there at the end point when I get out. Luckily it was there, as you have already seen. All right, so Näsudden, this is almost empty today. There are a few other people at the other end of the beach, and we can see also some of the islands in the archipelago here of Nyköping. So yes, 21 degrees in the air, 17 in the sea. It's time for me to take a swim in the sea while still we have sun in the sky here. And look at the sand, it is so nice and soft. And there is even a handicapped entrance here in the sea, as you can see. So yes, look at the water. The bottom is super sandy, just sand. We have few floating seaweed on the sides and a jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. Yep, but this one doesn't stink because it is purely white, and it has to do with the salinity of the water. Look at the beach, isn't it amazing? Huh? So what else? So Nyköping is a city with a population of 60,000 people. It's only 1 hour away from Stockholm by train. So you can obviously come to Nyköping by train, but if you're more adventurous like me, you can also take the local train from Stockholm to Gnesta, and then a bus from Gnesta to Nyköping. But I have been coming here also previously with the train. It is more convenient. You can get on with the train with the bicycle also, and then you can take also a better bicycle as well, as it is better. Oh, this is a pink jellyfish. Look at that. Oh no, this one may stink if it comes to contact. Let me... Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, wow. Wow. Oh, one more over here. Okay, so it's jellyfish season, it seems. Let me give you a close one on this from inside. Oh, yes, so it is jellyfish season. I think that the color will determine if it will stink or not. So yes, the water is quite cold, I'm not gonna lie, despite being 17 degrees. Earlier today in the lake at Gnesta it was 18 so not that much colder than the lake over there. So yeah, okay, let's go a bit further more and see a few more jellyfish. I told you it is a bit shallow. I want to get a bit more in for a nice swim in the sea. And there in the distance, I think we can see SSAB, one of the factories that's located in Oxelösund. I can see the thing that's coming out of the chimneys there. So yes, this is the whole beach from here. As you can see, it's in the nature reserve, and the beach is called Näsudden, located in the Örstignäs nature reserve. All right, I don't think it will get any deeper than this fair, so I'm just gonna go with the flow and do my swim. So let's just pass by this pile of seaweed here and enjoy the day. Then I will be here for the weekend in Nyköping, and let's see where I'm gonna end up tomorrow for a beach adventure. So right then, finally I think I wanna save distance to take a swim. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that was so salty, it was so nice. It's not that cold even. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's dive in once again because it was so fantastic. And it was salty. A bit saltier than the sea in Stockholm, as this is a bit more salt also. So cold, refreshing, but very nice. Alright, so that was it for this episode from Näsudden in Nyköping. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from the Baltic Sea in Nyköping, just 9 kilometers away from the city center. And make sure to visit this beach if you're in Nyköping and you're into nice sandy beaches on the sea. Yes, thank you so much. Greetings from Nyköping, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.